That's fine. I don't mind being out, but do you want to talk to me outside?
No. Oh, I sat here. I saw this gentleman. He's minding his own business, ma'am. He has headphones and he has his mask on. She came over completely unnecessarily and harassed this guy. I said, please do not harass this gentleman. This is a quiet area.
She works here. She's allowed to enforce rules.
No, she completed a completely unnecessary argument out of nothing. He, in fact, didn't say anything. He still hasn't said anything. She literally mentioned what the guy said or did 3 days ago. And as he said, he doesn't even remember. Like, dude, literally, this guy's just chilling on his own. You know, this lady walks up to him completely unnecessarily.
I hear you.
Don't try to have a tone in your voice, like, but you're right, though.
No.
But no, homie, you're wrong. Like, this guy, I'm literally just sitting here.
No, I hear you. But here's the thing.
You calm yourself down. You ain't rushing nothing. What's up?
I'm right here. I'm not going anywhere. So, I'm asking you to please come outside and talk to me because you've been excluded for the day.
Oh, no, I have no reason to be. At that, I'm not going to argue. I'm telling you, I told this lady to not harass this dude. Now you're harassing me. This is the end of it.
I'm simply trying to talk to you and tell you that you've been excluded for the day and that you need to go now. And the thing is,
You lawfully have no right, and I'm telling you immediately, this is an order. Stand down from me. I'm not disobeying anybody. I'm not disrespecting anybody. In fact, did I point out that this lady needs to not disrespect anybody herself? I am keeping the peace.
it's time to go. Okay? I would like for you to be able to come back tomorrow. If you continue to cause a disruption, you won't be able to. If you just leave,
I told this, excuse me, you're under recording right now. What you're saying is being recorded. I'm not sure if you understand that,
I
but
do, and I'm okay with it because I haven't said anything that I wouldn't say to anybody else. I'm asking you to please come outside with me because you've been excluded for the day. I want you to have the opportunity to come back tomorrow. Do you want to come back tomorrow?
no. Stop harassing me. I told this lady, do not harass this guy. You're being rude to me. That's the end of this. I'm the adult.